Alright guys, today is the day for the stereo system in the C5. We've been working on this for a minute and finally all the parts are here. So the c5z, which is my daily driver for the most part on pretty much everything day that's nice or not nice, or as long as the roads aren't like the fucking apocalypse in Kansas, I drive it. It is the camo car, that is Z06. So 2003, we full suspension, all that stuff. Get a rundown on that at a different day. But today we are heading to Autosound in Topeka, Kansas. The guys over there, Mark and Scott, gonna help me out today, and we're gonna throw a full-blown stereo in the good old daily, because as you guys might know, the Z06 stock stereo just sucks. Other than that, I mean, I'm still working on the editing, guys. The intro video, I know it was a little rough. I'm working on it, guys. Definitely making headway, but yeah, if I was doing landscaping in a roundabout, dumbasses. Sorry about that. So as we were getting to the other day, video wise, you know, post in the comments below what you want to see. I know I don't have a big following by any means. We are just, you know, kind of rolling with it. But like I said, today we're heading to Autosound. We're going to get the C5 all taken care of and cleaned up, and got a screen going in it. I'm sure the last video you can see the box is back there. So we're doing that. JL Stealth box and Memphis amp and a JVC head unit. And to be honest, guys, it is stuff I just pieced together off Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist. The sub and amp is a whole different story. Just someone removed it from a car at an audio shop here in Lawrence, Kansas, and right place, right time, and I picked it up. So alright guys, today we are at Autosound. We are going to be doing a full install on the C5Z, and let's check out the shop. update on the stereo I never did a go through afterwards, but you can hear it in the background, is the new stereo is installed in the C5. Mind you, the door jambs are not wrapped. This is the first time you're going to see kind of the interior. But we have a JVC head unit with Apple CarPlay. Don't mind the hoodies and t-shirts, and a Memphis amp, which I happen just to have laying around. That's all for the install on the C5. Sorry the video hasn't been up sooner. Thanks for watching the video, and if you like the content, hit the subscribe button.